Hi, I'm Frankey-b, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own QR code in Excel absolutely free. And this QR code can be recognized by any QR code reader and scanner. And I'm also going to show you how to download and install the QR code for Office add-in for Excel. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to open Excel. Then click on the Insert tab. Then go across and click on the Store icon, which will take you to this app for Office pane. Here you will see a load of apps to choose from. But if you don't see the app you're looking for at first, just type in the search bar QR for Office, then click Search. And there you are. It appears just like that. And now click Add. Now click Continue. Now on the right hand side, QR for Office will open this task pane, which you will use to create your QR code. But just before you create your QR code, let's take a look at how to display these options for QR code Office add-ins whenever you want. Now we'll close out and show you where to find it again. Now close the pane. And when you want to see it again, just go to the Insert tab, then Add-ins, and you will see all your apps. Then just double click on the one you want and it will open up again in this pane. And now let's see how to create a QR code. When you click on this drop down tab, you will see these options. From here you can select which QR code you want to create. You can choose from URL, email, SMS text, or a custom made one. And in this case we're going to go for the email QR code. So we'll click on this option and type in the email address. And I'm going to type in Frankey-b. And we're going to choose the blue foreground color. And now choose a background color. We will choose a yellow background color. Now you can adjust the size of your QR code, and the size will display on the preview at the top of the QR code here. And now you can choose your error correction percentage. In case the code picked up dirt, get damaged, or partly covered by an object. You can choose from 4 options. And we're going to choose the minimum, the medium, the medium even. And we're going to choose the medium 15%. And that looks good. And now if you're happy with everything and all that, just click Insert and your QR code will jump into the Excel document. And now you can move it into any position you want. Now to save it, just right click on it and select the option Save as Picture. And save it to your computer for further use. And then you can use it in any other application. And there you have it. That's how you create a QR code in Excel absolutely free of charge. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment and share this video if you'd like to see more videos like these. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao for now. Frankey-b. Thank you very much.